Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious French toast, easy method. Whisk 3 eggs and 1 cup milk with 1 tsp vanilla, 1 tablespoon sugar, and a pinch of salt until smooth. Dip slices briefly so they absorb but do not fall apart. Then cook in butter over medium heat until golden brown on both sides and cooked through, about 3 minutes per side. Select good ingredients: sturdy bread, whole milk or half and half, and fresh eggs for best flavor and texture. Mix batter gently to avoid lumps and taste it to adjust sweetness. If you like spices, add a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg, but don't overpower the egg mixture. Let bread rest briefly after dipping to set the coating, then cook in a hot pan with butter for a crisp, golden exterior. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride fresh after pancake and French toast mornings. It's a small change that makes driving sweeter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy these little tips, treat yourself and your car. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat a non-stick or cast iron skillet over medium heat so the center cooks through while the outside crisps. Melt butter and add a touch of neutral oil to raise the smoke point. Cook each soaked slice for about 2 to 4 minutes per side until deep golden and slightly springy. Serve immediately with syrup, fruit, or powdered sugar to maintain that perfect contrast of crisp edge and tender center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.